know you're everything that I've been looking for. I, I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.